So let's stop and think about the power of digital products for a moment. You create something and you don't even have to create it, or you resell a digital product over and over again, right? And it will make you an income forever. And like I said, you don't even have to have created it. You can find a course, an ebook. You can rebrand it if you like with private label rights, or you can find something with master resale rights, and you can set that up in your digital store and sell it over and over and over while you're living your life, while you're sleeping. You are making income. So this is how you can have an extra income revenue stream. But the thing is, you have to get it out of your head that 9 to 5 is the only way that you can make money. In this digital era now, instead of mindlessly scrolling on your phone, you could be reselling done for you digital products that literally will sell over and over and over again. How do you do that? You take an educational course like the Roadmap, which I've taken, and it teaches you how to find the topic or subject that you're passionate about. It teaches you how to research whether this is a good thing to have, how to find products to sell or how to create products to sell, setting up a digital store, email marketing, setting up a sales funnel, how to capture sales, how to create videos like this. And if you don't want to show your face, you can have a faceless account. And it teaches you all these different things in these educational courses like the Roadmap. I have a very good payment plan in my store. So if you have any questions about the Roadmap, please reach out to me. If you've never seen me before, my name is Susan. I've had an online business online now since 2012, a small business here in Alberta, Canada. And I am getting more and more into digital products because I know the power of a digital product. I know how this can bring in income stream that just sells over and over again, right? And that's the power of digital products. That's a perk of the Roadmap as well. You buy this educational course, and not only do you learn the skills on how to set up a business, but you can actually turn around and sell the Roadmap because it has master resale rights, MRR, right? That's what it stands for. So the moment you sell one, you get your money back on your initial investment, and you've learned from the ground up over 32 hours of information how to actually set up a digital store or any business for that matter, right? It teaches you step by step over 350 videos, and it'll teach you everything. You don't have to have had experience. You don't have to have tech skills, and you can turn around that and sell that many, many, many times over. There are people who have sold the Roadmap so many times, and people who have sold so many digital products online, and it has changed the lives of ordinary people and continues to do so. It is the biggest growing and booming industry online, and Forbes predicts that by 2030 it will be worth $1.5 trillion. And I'm wondering why you're still thinking about it and why you're still sitting on the fence when this industry is growing so rapidly and so strongly, and there are new digital products and new courses out there all the time. And I will be taking other courses. I will be reviewing